What's up, guys? Today is March 27th, Thursday. Trading the indices, so NASDAQ, US 30, and SPX 500. We're trading along with Vector Games live on YouTube. The link is going to be in the description below. But trading along with them, trading Apex counts. Get your Apex count with my coupon code HHKIIYSR. You'll get 50% off up to 90% off. Great deals. Anyway, so I was going along here today, gonna trade NAS and a little bit of SPX. So the first trade is gonna be NAS 100. I'm gonna go ahead and skip to that right now.
Pass a trade, how to pass the evaluation is part of
order filled.
All right, we got a Goldie. All right, guys, get ready. NAS 100, I'm buying.
Order.
Let's go. Y'all always gotta stay right.
Order filled.
Always gotta stay ready. Always gotta stay ready.
So that one's really quick.
Always
I got in and out, and then got back in.
Let's go. Almost done. This is why I tell you guys to always stay ready.
And I forgot to move my charts, so you can't really see it. But the next one, you'll be able to see the chart with SPX.
This is why I tell you. Everybody should be in profit. Get ready. Get ready. All right, guys, I'm out. But this is why I tell you guys got to start practicing.
So right here, SPX already had a Goldie pop up about 2 candles ago, so I'm actually getting in right where it was, and then trying to get some pullbacks as well.
Love this game. All right, got it. Oh yeah, I was milking that. I wanted a better position though. Hey yo, y'all milk that pullback? Probably different broker. All right, bro. Oh, let's go. I'm done. I'm out.
Stop filled.
Who got that?
Stop filled.
Hey.
Get to Vector Games. You're going to click on this link here. To join the Discord, click on join Discord. And then get the sci-fi trading strategies here. The virtual assistants here. If you need a FOREX broker, this is the broker. If you need a prop firm trader, this one right here, you got 50% off up to 90% off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment or any questions below.